Hello, before we begin today's video, can you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps expand the wonderful knowledge of NY and JPA weather and helps yours truly. So I really would appreciate it. So thank you, and as always, stay safe out there. Now let's get to today's video.
Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 27th, 2026. Of course, I am your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, CDM number 9. Well, a series of troughs are going to be moving through the region today, and that's going to lead to the threat for a few snow showers here and there. But the main story here is the very cold temperatures. We have temperatures right now in the single digits to lower teens throughout the region, and guess what? They're not rising all that much the rest of the day because we can expect highs today in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid-teens along the coast, and with any type of wind, that's going to lead to wind chills below zero. So please use caution, bundle up, layer up, and if you can, just stay indoors. And if anyone starts to, feel a little bit off when they're out in the cold or experiencing any pains in their fingers, that could be frostbite. So please be careful out there. It may be cold and sunny, but it can be very dangerous too. Now, I'm going to take a look at our radar here. Not a lot going on, but these snow showers, when they swing on through the region today, most locations, just a few flurries here and there, but there is potential here for a dusting or two with some of these snow showers. So keep an eye on that. Other than that, it is just going to be pretty quiet and cold. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see not much in terms of any type of strong lifting. It's all pretty quiet overall. So let's dive into our forecast for today. Sky cloud cover can be expected with a few flurries here and there, but overall pretty quiet, like I said, with temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the northern interior, mid-teens along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, and really into tomorrow, rinse and repeat, cold, scattered cloud cover, a few flurries here and there, low temperatures. The teens below zero to the single digits. Those are the lows. High temperatures throughout the region, lower to mid-teens. Yeah, dangerous cold out there. Then we get to, Thursday. Rinse and repeat, sky cloud cover, a few flurries here and there. Look for low temperatures again in the teens below zero to the single digits. High temperatures in the single digits over the northern interior. And we're looking at lower to mid-teens along the coast. And on Friday, rinse and repeat, still cold, still dangerous out there with the frostbite and the rest. We can expect scattered cloud cover with a few flurries, a snow shower here and there, with low temperatures again in the teens below zero to the single digits and high temperatures in the single digits to lower teens throughout the region. Then we get to this weekend, which is a very interesting period. We have a storm that's developing off the coast. Now, on Saturday, we'll have scattered cloud cover to begin with, and then a threat for a few snow showers in the evening. It looks like this storm's going to stay east, but let me give you a warning. It wouldn't take much to push this storm further west. It all depends on the evolution of short waves, and we talk a bit about this in great detail in this morning's premium video discussion explaining this slight shift in one short wave can mean all the difference for this weekend. But for now, we're going to keep this off the coast. We're going to go with the idea of just a few scattered snow showers, especially along the coast, with low temperatures to start off in the teens below zero to the single digits and high temperatures ranging from the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. On Sunday, again, we'll keep an eye out for a few scattered snow showers. You can see just how intense this storm is. It will be a windy day on Sunday, that is for sure either way. Again, it wouldn't take much to get this shift further west and bring this along the coastal plain. We'll keep an eye on it, but for right now, we'll just go with scattered snow showers. Look for low temperatures in the teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid-20s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid-20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. And then on Monday, look for scattered cloud cover, and the same on Tuesday with a threat for a few flurries here and there. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid single digits over the northern interior, mid to upper teens along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast for Monday and Tuesday. So any way you slice it, it is going to be a cold period, and some of the long-range guidance keeps us below freezing through much of this month, at least through the next 16 days. And February is kind of a short month, so that takes up a bulk of the month. That's pretty impressive. So we'll keep an eye on that and see how long this cold lasts. And of course, as always, stay safe out there.
Thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. But if you want to help the channel out even more, and myself, of course, you might want to check out Premium Consulting Membership, which provides amazing content and information that you get beyond the daily video that you see Monday through Friday. So what do you get? Well, you get updates every day in the Premium dashboard, starting with, of course, checking out the latest winter forecast or other seasonal forecasts throughout the year, live coverage room where you can ask me questions live and I respond usually within a few minutes. Also, the latest holiday updates, how the weather will impact that upcoming holiday. If you are into landscaping or you work in landscaping, should I say, you will get the latest details on whether or not rainfall will be a threat and impact your job. And of course, there is all the other content. The zoomed in impact map, the severe threat analysis, long range thoughts, the premium consulting video, and also energy analysis, seasonal analysis, additional analysis when the storms get really tricky, winter storm overviews, and when the tropics gets really active, all of the updates, including the individual storms and the overview as well. And if you're a business owner, we also have a specific impact forecast for you guys as well, your own weather map. So let's take a look at the prices. Pretty fair. $15 a month gets you all this information. If you're looking for a little bit of a discount, you can also have a yearly at $150 and quarterly at $60. And also, for all of you business owners out there, you have the ability to get your own web page, your own consulting analysis based on what you need every day in the morning, updated Monday through Sunday without any delay. And of course, you can call me up as well and have that one-on-one consultation. So all this and more at NY and JPA Weather. Thank you as always for being a subscriber and watching the videos. But if you're looking for a little bit more, this would definitely be one of the ways to do so. So in the meantime, stay safe out there.